So hi guys, my name is Janela Ibarra from BSIP2A. So today I will be discussing about the implementing styles using linked list. So I have an example code here that shall we discuss every line. So sa first line, may declare siya of public class name which is ang staff as linked list. So kaning class will implement a staff data structure using a linked list. So ang isa variable na root of the stack node is declared. So this will serve as the top of the stack. So kaning line which is ang static class stack node, mao ni siya ang begins the definition of the static nested class name na stack node. So man ang each stack node represents as an individual element in the stack. So kaning line ng int data mao ni siya ang variable nga hold the integer value for the node. While ang stack node, mao ni siya ang variable na mo-reference to the next node in the stack. So kani siya nga line mao ni siya ang gitawag og constructor for the stack node. So kaning constructor initializes a stack node with a given integer data. So kaning line naa siya public boolean is empty. So mao ni siya ang method na mag-check whether the stack is empty and returns a boolean value. So natay condition check here nga if root is null, the stack is empty and the method returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So kaning line defines a method named push that adds a new element to the top of the stack. So kaning line mao ni siya nag-creates a new stack node with the provided data. So here, i-check if the stack is empty. Then kaning root equals new node. If empty, the new node becomes the root. Else, if the stack is not empty. So ang kaning stack node temp, mao ni siya ang temporarily store the current root. Then here na line, mao ni siya ang mo-update the root to the new code. Then ang new node that next temp, mao ni siya ang mo-set the next of the new code to the previous root. Then here, so system out print data so plus push stack. So nag-print ang message diri indicating the value that was pushed onto the stack. So diri nga line na-define siya og method name na pop, which is this method removes and returns the top element of the stack. So diri if i-check if the stack is empty. Tapos if print ang message na stack is empty. Then return ang integer that sentinel value indicating in an empty stack. So else, if the stack is not empty, then ang kaning line is store the data from the root, and next line is update the root to the next code in the stack, while ang next line mao ni siya ang returns the pop value. So this line defines a method named pick that returns the top element of the stack without removing it. So if the stack is empty, a message is printed which is ang stack is empty, and the integer mint value is returned. If the stack is not empty, the data of the current root node is stored. So kaning line, public static void main string mao ni siya ang entry point of the Java program. The main method is where the program starts execution. So an instance of stack as linked list is created and assigned to the variable SLL. So the push method is called 3 times to add 10, 20, and 30 to the stack. So the top element, which is 30, is popped from the stack and printed, while the new top element 20 is retrieved without removing it and printed. So ato siyang ni-run, mano siya magawas na output na 10 push to stack, 20 push to stack, 30 push to stack, 30 pop from stack, then top element is 20. So bali, the stack starts empty and elements 10, 20, 30 are pushed onto in that order. The last element push 30 is popped off, and the top element after that pop is 20. So the output reflects the operation performed to the stack, confirming that the stacks behave correctly according to the last in, first out principle. So the code uses linked lists to implement the stack. This allows dynamic resizing as the stack can grow or shrink as needed. So the stack follows the last in, first out principle. The last element added to the stack is the first one to be removed.